Today, we're diving into how you can launch your own AI-powered social media marketing agency using cutting-edge tools like Ocoya, Predis, and ContentStudio. With artificial intelligence revolutionizing digital marketing, there's never been a better time to start. Let's get started. In today's digital landscape, businesses are leveraging AI-powered tools to enhance their social media presence. These platforms streamline content creation, scheduling, and analytics, making marketing more efficient and effective. To build a successful AI-driven agency, consider integrating these powerful tools. 1. Ocoya, an all-in-one platform that combines AI-driven content creation with intelligent scheduling. Ocoya helps you generate engaging posts, write compelling captions, and discover trending hashtags, all while automating your posting schedule. 2. Predis. This tool excels in creating captivating social media videos and graphics. Predis offers AI-generated content ideas and intuitive editing features, enabling you to produce high-quality visuals that resonate with your audience. 3. ContentStudio, a comprehensive content management system that streamlines content discovery, planning, and publishing. With AI-powered insights, ContentStudio helps you identify trending topics and optimize your content strategy for maximum engagement. By incorporating these tools, you can offer clients a robust and efficient social media marketing service. Launching your agency involves several key steps. Business registration. Ensure your agency is legally recognized by completing the necessary registrations. Brand development. Create a unique brand identity, including a memorable logo and cohesive visual elements to differentiate your agency in the market. Team collaboration. Utilize collaborative tools to manage projects efficiently, ensuring seamless communication and workflow among team members. Establishing a strong foundation is crucial for long-term success. Managing multiple AI tools can be overwhelming, but ToolQ.com simplifies this process. ToolQ is the ultimate AI tool marketplace, offering comprehensive listings. Access a wide range of AI tools across various categories, including social media marketing, content creation, and analytics. User reviews and ratings. Make informed decisions based on feedback from other users, ensuring you select the best tools for your agency's needs. Regular updates. Stay ahead of industry trends with updates on the latest AI tools and features. With ToolQ, you can efficiently discover and integrate the best AI solutions to enhance your agency's offerings, to grow your client base. Showcase success stories. Highlight case studies and testimonials that demonstrate your agency's impact. Offer personalized solutions. Tailor your services to meet each client's unique needs, positioning your agency as a valuable partner. Maintain open communication. Regular updates and transparent communication build trust and foster long-term relationships. Delivering exceptional results and maintaining strong client relationships are key to your agency's success. Embarking on an AI-powered social media marketing agency is an exciting venture. By leveraging tools like Ocoya, Predis, and ContentStudio, and utilizing resources from ToolQ.com, you can offer top-notch services that drive results. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's revolutionize social media marketing together.